Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to block someone in your TECNO Pouvoir form. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this TECNO Pouvoir 4 and you are wondering how to block unwanted contact list or block a particular contact. Let that person you want to block, if he's calling you, you're not going to receive his call, or if he's sending any SMS, also going to be blocked. So in order to do that, what you need to go in, you need to go in your device, call list. For example, this you will see there will be call list with a name, or if it is not name, the call list going to be appear. For example, I want to block this number. So what you have to do, you have to long press over there. After click over there, you're going to see something say block this number. If you click block, they're going to be appear a confirmation. You can either choose cancel, or if you want to block, you can easily click this block. So that means from now, if this person going to be call me, I'm not going to receive any call. Also same things, if your contact list there is any contact, also you can block. Now you might be decide to unblock some particular contact. In order to do that, you have to go on your device, this same call section, this three dot, click here, setting. After click over there, you need to click here block number. When you click block number, you're going to see all the number block list going to be appear here. Also, if you decide to add new number, you can click here add number. You can easily type the number. For now, I want to delete this number from block list. So what you have to do, you have to click this cross icon, and then it's going to be a confirmation. We're going to click here unblock. So this number unblock from block list. So this is how you can easily block or unblock someone in your contact list in TECNO Pouvoir 4. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.